I like to go ahead and slide these on real quick. Cute. Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Chris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you're a new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. Alright, you guys, so how y'all doing? Today's video, we're going to be doing a beginner nail tech friendly video, basically discussing how to do acrylic nails. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a little background about me. I've been a nail tech for 8 years. I've worked in numerous of shops. I've used numerous of products. And now to start, whenever you are prepping or priming your nails for any acrylic set, you always need a bond and a primer. Now, I use OPI's Bond-Aid. This is the only Bond-Aid that I've ever used, to be honest with you. I've only ever used OPI. That's just, I don't know. And then primer. So to me personally, you can go to any nail supply store and get a primer. You literally can go honestly on Amazon and get you a primer. This primer is from my local nail supply store. It's a premium primer. So yeah, I use this primer. Honestly, as long as you lay your foundation properly and correctly, your nails will last with whatever primer you use. The acrylic that I personally use Young Nails Pore Clear Acrylic. I use Young Nails Pore Clear Acrylic because it works perfect for me. Like I said, starting off, I use OPI's, all of OPI's products. To me, OPI's product, like as far as their acrylic system is concerned, to me, I practice, of course, time and time again, the powder to liquid ratio, but I just feel like for one, OPI, their powder does not set fast enough for me, and then sometimes I just feel like it sets too fast. So I just don't think that that's an easy powder to use. And then I use CND. It lays very well, but it does not dry as fast. And also, you know, like I said, when I use CND, I enjoy using it for when I was working at Goulds, you know what I'm saying? But I've never, well, no, I'm lying. I did continue to buy their products afterwards, but at the same time, I realized that there were better products out there, y'all. So I use Young Nails, right? Now, at first, I wasn't trying to use them because their products are expensive. They're just, honestly, their powders are some of the best powders that I've ever used. Like, it goes on and it lays like butter in every single last, even their colored acrylics lay like butter. But this baby right here, this works. And honestly, it dries fast. And like I said, if you're a beginner nail tech and you're just now starting out, I would not use this acrylic as a practice. Go online to Amazon and get you that Good Mind secret. Don't be using your good stuff for practice. Brushes. Me personally, I use a size 16 Kolinsky brush because this brush, like a size 16, it lays on every single last nail bed and shape. I feel like if you get like bigger sizes, they're really just good for bigger nail beds, but sometimes they be doing too much, you know what I'm saying? And this brush works perfectly, honestly, for smaller nails as well. I've noticed a lot of nail techs use size 12s and 14s, and honestly, those brushes are just way too small. Like, what are you doing, a child's fingernails? And so also, let's move on from that. Also, you know, nail tips, you can get your nail tips off Amazon. You can get your nail tips from your local nail supply store if they let you in, period. Always make sure you have these little dapping dishes right here. Always have these. I break mine all the time, but keep your like at least like 4 or 5 of them just in case, you know what I'm saying. Wow. If you say, for instance, if you're mixing up some colored acrylics or whatever, you can mix these in these little dapping dishes and call it a day. Because really, putting filling this up with acrylic, that's a whole set right there. Oh, make sure you have scissors so you can clip your nail tips. Don't forget that. I wear protective eyewear whenever I do nails, because though we have like this little duster that sucks it up sometimes, it still floats around and it gets into my eyes, and I can feel pretty much everything. So I like to go ahead and slide these on real quick. Cute. Always make sure you have cotton balls. Make sure you have a little fluffy duster. This is so cute. I got this from my local nail supply store. I love it. She's a cutie. I normally use 80/80 grip files. To me, it just shapes how it's supposed to. I use the white ones like these, but I don't think they're 80/80. So I don't know. But these files are literally some of the best files that I've ever used. Make sure you always have a buffer for after you drill your nail. And so speaking of drills, so I've had a professional drill one time, and I broke that joint. So ever since then, I've just been ordering my drills off Amazon. This is an arch drill. Now, mind you, these drills are honestly good for any nail tech. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you've been in the game for a long time, baby, go on Amazon, get you a good $70, $100 drill and just keep it moving until you can afford like those Kira Skies or the Koopas, or you know what I'm saying, stuff like that, because you know those drills like $250 and up. So stick to your arts, get your money up, and then get you another drill. For me, I just don't care. My nail bits. So this bit right here, you can get this off Amazon. I'm gonna link it. This is honestly probably my favorite drill bit to use. I got this one right here. This is my second favorite one to use. I got this one from my local nail supply store. To me, this one, I just feel like it gets everything. This one, sometimes I feel like it takes off too much. It really just depends. I don't use this one for colored acrylic, but I'll use this one for colored acrylic. So yeah, and make sure you have a sanding bit with like your little coarse sanders. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you have those. Make sure you have glue. I use KDS glue. This is the best glue to use. You can get this on Amazon. I'm gonna link everything below. Oh, make sure y'all let me know if y'all like this video, or if I'm leaving anything out, or if there's anything else you want to know. Don't forget to let me know, y'all. But this glue by KDS, some of the best glue I've ever used. I will continue to use this glue for forever. And always make sure you have your oil. Your oil. You know, these supposed to be ashy out here, like for real. The base and gel top. Whenever I'm about to polish my color, I always put a gel base, because if you don't put a gel base down before you use a gel color, your gel color is going to chip off of your acrylic. It does not matter what you do, it's going to come off. So always use a nice little thin coat of gel based polish before you apply your color gel. And that's Extreme, by the way. And then this is Koopa. I use their top coat. It's a really, really good top coat. I enjoy it. I love it. It does what it's supposed to. Period. So yeah, I mean, pretty much that's everything you need to basically start doing nails. I would invest in a nail hand trainer. I still have this nail hand trainer for if I ever just, you know, want to practice nails, or if there's a design that I want to do. I use this heavily. This is not the first one that I've had. I've had like 4. But I've always practiced like my acrylic on this. Like whenever I wanted to learn how to do the one ball method, baby, I practice on these every day, all day, till I got that one ball down. You have to be consistent, and you have to keep practicing. Like nothing's gonna come overnight. You're not gonna be the best overnight, but you have to keep practicing. Even after I took my professional classes, I still kept practicing, because that's what you're supposed to do. Like there's nail art that I still practice, you know what I'm saying? You're never too shy of learning anything new or building yourself up to become a better nail tech, I guess for what we're talking about in this moment. A better nail tech. The better you are at what you do, the more customers that you're gonna have. I'm just saying, like if honestly, I'm not gonna go to nobody who I don't feel is consistent. I'm not gonna go to nobody who I don't feel like is actually dedicated to their work and it's not showing it. Like I like for people to show me how dedicated they are, because I'm that kind of person. So with that being said, if you are a beginner nail tech, use this nail hand trainer and continue to use it. Don't give up. Continue to use it. Use this, and then also do some nails for free. Do free nails. Like, I don't understand what people have against doing free. My products went free. Baby, over time, you're going to make all that money back. Do it for free. Starting out. Like, it's nothing wrong with it. I really, people mindsets really irk me sometimes. But yeah, you guys, Oh, and when it comes to, like, you know, nail art, now if y'all want to know more about that, that's gonna be a whole nother vlog, okay? Tapping into nail art, what you need, what you can buy, all that good stuff. Now, if you want to get into exactly what I buy, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I'll get more detailed about that. But until then, you guys, I will be chatting with you another time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not. Please do that. And again, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.